In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove Snapchat AI from your Snap feed. First, open up Snapchat, and if you go to chats, as you can see, I have it here. If you are not subscribed on the Snapchat Plus, you won't have access to the Snapchat AI. So, if you want to unpin it, go to your profile, click on the Snapchat members, and then just unpin the AI. If you go back, as you can see, it's not pinned, but it's still there. So if you want to pin it back, just go to the same options and that's it. Now, another way to unpin it is just hold down onto it and then click on chat settings. You can also unpin conversation from here. Now, if you want it completely removed from Snap feed, hold down, click on chat settings, and then you can click on clear from chat feed, and that should remove it. And of course, if you don't want to receive AI notifications, you can just turn off notifications off by clicking off the message notifications on the left side. And if you want to be 100% sure you have deleted all of the information from the AI, click on your profile, click on your settings, then go to the privacy controls, click on clear data, click on the first one that says clear conversations, my AI, click on the X, and then it asks you, are you sure you want to clear this conversation? And you basically click clear, and then you are 100% sure that everything is deleted from the AI. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and see you in the next one.